Hey, is this the same Juarez electric guitar? But the headstock looks different. Hi all, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to explain how you can create custom decals for your electric guitar. Just like the Juarez where I removed the headstock decal, you can check out that video somewhere. I will leave a link. It was a very easy process, and again, it's an easy way for you to make your electric guitar very much custom. So what you need is something like this. So it's called water slide decal paper. So this is a water slide decal paper for inkjet. So it's written over here. You can also get similar paper for laser jet as well. All you need to do is design your custom decal, get it printed on this paper, just like what I have done here. So I have printed my DIY guitarist logo as well as the YouTube handle over here, along with something which is interesting. You see offender. I certainly didn't want to fake a Fender headstock decal. While you can also do that, I don't recommend it. You can get this font downloaded from the internet. Type in your name, whatever, in the Fender font as well. It's quite possible. And then all you need to do is cut out this portion, just the decal what you want, and then it's a easy transfer process. Ensure that you print on the glossy side of the decal paper, not this side where it's just a paper which will just peel off. How do you transfer this into the headstock? We'll just see in a moment. So what I have done is cut out this decal into the shape what I need. In fact, I'm going with two pieces here. One is the YouTube handle and then my logo. I have used a scissor to cut this out. You can cut to the nearest possible shape, just to include the decal alone. You don't need so much of the material around it. So keep it as minimal as possible. In fact, I'm going to trim it a bit more. Use the scissor and then trim it a bit more. Okay, so you can try it out first where the placement is going to be absolutely clear about the positioning and the size. So with that, we can move to the next step. So what I have is a bowl of water. So this is how it works. Wet the surface a bit and then dip the water slide decal into the water. As you can see, it's already like deforming a bit. So ensure that it's dipped for about 20 seconds. That's all it is needed, not more. So once it is done, it will start moving. So water slide decal paper contains two layers. One is a transparent layer and then other one is the paper itself. So let's see if it start moving. Yeah, as you can see, it's already moving. So carefully move the transparent paper to the side and then take the backing paper off. After that, you can position it wherever you want it. Carefully wipe the water out, not to damage this clear side of the decal. Not to wipe too much as well. The, the ink can come off as well. So once your good with the positioning, take a piece of cloth and then gently I'm going to take this water away. Gently remove the water and that is going to be it. So I'm going to do this one as well the same way. Then carefully take it off. Yes, it's sliding off very nicely. Take the backing paper off and then slide that into the position. So one thing I missed to note is once you print on the water slide decal, it's recommended that you do a clear spray on top of it just to let uh, the ink to settle in so that when you wipe it, the ink is not going to come off. I'm going to take this water away. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will leave a link to the water slide decal paper um, in Amazon, India as well as US, so that it is easy for you to find the product. And good luck creating. So this is the risk over here. So it's still wet. I'm going to reposition it a bit and then let it dry. That's about it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, please do. There is more such content coming up. Thank you.